So with everything that we've got to do, we've got plenty to do. The van to fit out, we've got the other van to fit out as well. Needs carpeting, flooring, a bit of service work. We thought, oh, we don't have quite enough to do, so we bought a project. A 1990, what is it, Connor? 1992. 1992 DT50. There you go. What a weapon that is. And the plan is with this is restore it back to its original condition, or as close as we can, as long as we can get parts for it, and then ride it around Scotland. And we're going to try and do that this year. We're going to try and do it by August, the end of August, maybe the last day of August, if Connor's back from France. Yeah? So if you're back from France, we're going to ride. Are you going to ride this, or you're riding the FT?
I'm riding the FT.
Get out!
I'm riding the FT.
Well, this is your bike, that's my bike.
Well, it is not.
It is my bike.
I ride that bike every day, well.
Oh, well, alright. Well, if you insist then, so I'll ride this little beauty then. So this is best bike out too in that case.
Well.
Yep, definitely. So that's the plan. There's a bit of compression on it, but engine's going to get rebuilt anyway. We've actually got a load of almost brand new parts that were restored on the other bike, because it was intended originally to be restored, the FT that we built. For anybody who doesn't know about that, I'll flash an image of it up now, maybe a little video. If anybody wants to see the video that we did of this build, then we will leave a link in the description for you. But yeah, so down to bare bones. We need to find a shock for it, because the shock at the moment is it's not going to absorb very much at all. And repowder coat the frame, paint the tank. Seat looks actually alright. We might see if we can get that covered anyway, depending on price. Yeah, but it's not very nice. It's blue. It's not blue, is it?
It's not blue, no.
But look at those colours. Look at those 90s colours. It's cool. So if anybody knows of anyone who's getting rid of any original parts for a DT or DT50MX, give us a shout. Exciting.
Where are we going?
Yeah, we got 52% battery on it, so that should last us all 5 seconds.
Yeah. And now it's gone.
Yeah.
Right.
Hey, let's strip the down.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out. No, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you
That is dirty. That'll be one of the original reasons why someone stopped riding this bike, because the points were foul. The barrel looks in really nice condition on this, apart from being dirty.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed in. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh.
There you go. Reduced to some in parts. Crank looks reusable. Piston looks reusable. The bore looks reusable. Obviously that's got to be refinished. There it is. These, should I say, are the original crankcases. So they would be numbers matching if we get this back together. The trouble is we've got to find now an electronic ignition for this. Because it's got point system on it, which is just terrible. We're not going to be running that. So we need to find the whole system, the flywheel, the plate, electronic ignition, the wiring. We need a full wiring set for it. But it's definitely a fun project, and we should be able to get this one turned around pretty quickly. We've got most parts. We've got wheels that have been completely reconditioned, respoked, good tyres on. We've got another set of forks in case we need them, in case these aren't serviceable, which are really good. We've got an exhaust for it, which didn't come with the actual bike. All we need is a tailpipe, and everything else I think we've got. So it just needs repainting, repowder coating, chain and sprockets, and that's it. So if you want to see our progress, subscribe to the channel. I get tired of saying it, but I've got to say it because we need subscribers. But yeah, if you want to see the project as it's going through, we're going to do it at each stage. We've completed the first stage now, but yeah, just follow the channel. Yeah, if you've got any parts or you've got any advice for us, leave a comment in the comment section, or just PM us, get in touch. You can get in touch with us through the Facebook page or Instagram as well. So just give us a follow on all the socials. It really does help us out, and we can make more stuff like this. So anyway, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff that you've got to say on a YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next episode.